Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine you're trying to mirror your Windows volume between two disks, but you hit a roadblock. The problem is you can't convert the disk to dynamic mode because there isn't enough usable space due to the recovery partition. Frustrating, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this dilemma. The key is to retain the recovery volume in diskpart between certain steps while recreating the Windows RE partition. By using the retain command, you prepare the existing volume for boot or system use. Additionally, skip using Dism and opt for xcopy command instead. These tweaks will ensure that the reagent commands work smoothly, allowing you to boot into Windows RE without any issues. In summary, tackling the disk conversion and recovery partition dilemma is possible with the right steps. By retaining the recovery volume and following through with the appropriate commands, you can successfully mirror your Windows volume without sacrificing the recovery partition. I hope this solution works well for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Happy computing!